Let's see how to edit the footer section in your Wix website. Editing the footer in Wix allows you to customize the content and design that appears at the bottom of every page. In this tutorial, we'll go through simple step-by-step process to edit the footer using the Wix editor. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser. And once you're in, click Design Your Website. Scroll down to the Scroll down to the bottom of any page to locate the footer section. Click directly on the footer area to select it. To add elements, whether it is text, images, buttons, or etc., click the Add Elements. To edit existing elements, click on the element within the footer to select it. For example, this one, I wanted to change it. I will click it, and then I will just edit it. And there you have it. And to resize the footer, click this one, and then click Quick Edit. Once you've made your changes, click Save and then Publish to store it. Click View Site to make the updates live on your website. That's how to edit the footer section in your Wix website. See you soon!